Welcome to ACI, Australian Crypto Institute. My name is Peter and my business partner Chris and I have developed a strategic and compliant education system for you to follow when it comes to transferring your wealth into the new digital economy through digital assets. So what we'll go through now is a quick summary or overview, our free masterclass, which you can take advantage of. So let's step in and have a look. So we've got our free masterclass. Do you want to learn how to protect and transfer wealth into digital assets? Are you tired of seeing your money buy less and less? So why listen to us? We both have 35 years in business and in property development. So we understand investments, we understand money. We've spent tens of thousands of dollars learning and studying digital assets and how to transfer from the current wealth system into the new digital economy. It's not just words or theory. We have our own money in the game in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. So this is what we have experienced. This is what we have learnt. And this is our money that we've put into this system. So then you can benefit from this masterclass. So what will you learn? You'll learn how to buy digital assets. You'll learn how to store and protect those digital assets. And you'll learn how to grow those digital assets through our education platform. So what's inside ACI? This is a free course, step-by-step lessons to help you win fast. We put a value of $2,500 on that. We have weekly Q&A calls, so you can ask questions, get feedback, and stay on track. So we value that at around $500. We have tools and templates, checklists, and resources that you can utilize, and we've put a value of about $1,000. Exclusive bonuses. Have some hidden extras and members-only perks valued at around $1,500. And the community. So you'll be able to connect with like-minded investors and be able to share your wins and them share their wins with you, which is priceless, absolutely priceless. So the value of that is well and truly over $5,000 and it's for free. So what is your next step? Your next step, if you're ready to protect and grow your wealth in the new digital economy, click Join Group and learn how to get started. It's 100% free. So here's your opportunity to not only learn about digital economy and digital assets, how to grow, how to protect, and how to purchase, but it's free. See you on the inside. Have a good time. See you soon.